that booty. Perfection. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Summer is upon us, and you know what that means? Everyone is thinking about their summer bod. Am I right? Those washboard abs, strong arms, that booty. So if you want to stay lean and stay toned, then this is the video for you. Up the protein, lower the calories. I love my morning shakes because it's easy to make. You can make it right after a workout and you can get out the door and on with your day. I'm gonna share with you two of my favorite ones. First of all, I'm obsessed with this blender from Redmond, not because it's pink and I match it, but because they give you individual blenders. So you literally blend it and then you can just put the cap on, so it's really make and out the door.
The first one is my purple proteins, and I never really measure anything, so just kind of eyeball it. Organic mixed berries, I like to freeze mine. Spinach, you can do fresh or frozen. A little bit of unsweetened almond milk. To keep the calories down, I do half almond milk, half water. 2 scoops of my collagen protein from Vital Proteins. In 2 scoops, there's roughly about 18 grams of protein. Now I know it sounds weird, but I add frozen cauliflower because I like my smoothies thick. Avocado for that healthy fat. Ice cubes, and this tray actually comes with the blender. How cute are these cubes? Monk fruit, which is a healthy sweetener, just to sweeten it up. Maca, which is a healthy superfood. And that's it. Now let's shake it up and blend it, baby.
Okay, I'll blend it up. Now watch this. Take this off, put your pink cap on, and cheers. You have a healthy, protein-filled smoothie to start your day. You got your protein, you got your healthy fats, you got your greens, you got your fruit, and this cute little sippy cup. Cheers. Seriously, never gets old. So good. The next smoothie is for all of my chocolate coffee lovers. I'm about to blow your mind. For this one, I use chocolate collagen protein from Primal Kitchen. Comes in these little individual bags, which I love. Pop one of those in there. I take a 4 Sigmatic coffee mix, and I already pre-made it. I just mix it with some hot water. So I pour some of that in. Sticking to 4 Sigmatic, I love their focus powder. 1 little scoop of that. A little cacao to keep that chocolate theme going. Some ice. Unsweetened almond milk. That's it. I always like to shake it up a little bit before I put it on the blender. To make it extra chocolatey, I like to add a little chocolate on top from my favorite dark chocolate company called The Good Chocolate. It has 0 sugar. So I take one of these bars, I chop it up, sprinkle it on top. Perfection. Put a lid on. Another thing I love about this blender is a fat straw fits in. And there you have it, a chocolate coffee lovers protein shake. So cheers. So good. Oh wait, before I go, I wanna tell you another reason why I'm obsessed with this Redmond blender. Okay, watch how easy it is to clean. First, just rinse it out, barely. Few drops of soap inside. Put the blender cap back on. Check this out. Empty the soapy water, and just like that, it is perfectly clean in seconds. So there you have it. 2 really good options to wake up, get your protein in, a quick shake, grab and go, thanks to this amazing blender from Redmond. Thank you guys so much for joining. And let me know if you have any other favorite smoothie recipes. I'm always down to try a new one, but cheers.